Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make $1,000 as a kid. Yes, you did hear me correctly. I'm going to be teaching you how to make $1,000 as a kid the easiest way possible. So the first thing is that you're going to want to open a few websites. Emblematic / market maker, or you can open Fiverr.com. All the links will be in the description. Now before we get into this too far, I'm going to be showing you how much an average price for a logo design is. It is a reasonable logo design starts at $100 to $200. One should be expect a simple logo design to cost. Now that's a lot of money. You only have to find 10 people, and it's the easiest thing possible. You can start like a Fiverr account if you wanted to, but that's not the easiest way. In my opinion, that's the hardest way to start a business for logoing to make $1,000 as a kid. So you want to open up google.com. All the links again will be in the description, so do not worry. So now you're going to want to like type in need logo or anything like that. And then you want to gonna put for as a keyword, not many people know about this, site colon Craigslist. So this like cites like the whole entire United States Craigslist because it's just logos. And you're just going to want to click on any of these until you find like 5 or 10 people that want to work with you. And you're going to want to go to Fiverr and type in business logos. And you're going to want to find some people that are selling logos. Like, let me sign in real quick. Okay, after you type in business logo, you want to go to budget and put it minimal as $5 and max at $10. And once you do that, you're just going to want to find a professional looking logo. And you're just going to want to see if these people have a professional logo. Look at their stars. Make sure it's not like a 3. This one's a 4.9 with a 53. You're not going to buy though. You're going to contact the seller and ask for samples. And once he gives samples, you need to go to Need Logo site, this thing, and you're going to just want to click on Craigslist person who needs something. Here's somebody. You just want to hit reply, and it should look something like this. Hey, I see that you need a logo. I've attached some sample logos for you to look at. I'll be willing to do it at a really affordable price because I'm trying to build up my clientele. How does $50 sound? Please let me know if you have any questions. I can start on it right away. And then sign your name off. You can change this money to anything you want to. And also you can do like $25 up front and $25 as a finish or whatever price you're going to be doing. And I misspelled that word, but that's okay. And then you want to just keep on repeating this over and over again. Or you can do it another way with MarkMaker. You could type in like Wally World and then hit generate logos. This would give you thousands of logos to pick from. Some will be more professional than others. Like this is a pretty professional one, but not as professional as this one or this one. You just want to attach those and do the same thing. Hit reply, attach them, put that, hey, I see that logo, blah, 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 and all of that. And then sooner or later, you will have $1,000 in no time. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. I will see you guys later. Bye.